Hello everyone, my topic is optical sectioning. In optical sectioning, many images collected from relatively thick specimen produced using epifluorescence microscopy are not very clear. This is because the image is made up of the optical plane of interest together with the contribution from fluorescence and above and below the focal plane of interest. तो मैनी इमेजेस क्या करी जाती है, कलेक्ट करी जाती है थिक स्पेसिमेन से एपीफ्लोरोसेंस माइक्रोस्कोपी का यूज़ करके। वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं होती क्योंकि वो बनी होती है ऑप्टिकल प्लेन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड उसके अंदर फ्लोरोसेंस भी होता है। तो ऑप्टिकल टर्म सेक्शन refer to a microscope ability to produce sharper images of specimen than those produced using a standard wide epifluorescence microscope by removing the contribution from out of the focus light of the image. The term optical section refer to a microscope ability to produce sharper images of specimen than those produced using a standard wide field epifluorescence microscope. By removing the contribution from out of focus light to the image, and in most cases without resorting to physically sectioning the tissue, such methods have revolutionized the ability to collect images from thick and fluorescence labeled specimens such as eggs, embryos, and tissues. Such methods have been revolutionized the ability to collect images from the thick and fluorescently labeled specimens such as egg, embryo and tissue. इनसे भी हम specimen को निकाल सकते हैं. Optical sectioning can be produced using high resolution DIC, microcomputerized tomography, scanning or optical projection tomography. However, currently by far the most prevalent method is using some form of confocal or associated microscopical approach. This is the diagram of the light from the laser passing through a neutral density filter. So laser scanning confocal microscope. Optical section are produced in the laser scanning confocal microscope by scanning the specimen point by point with the laser beam focused in the specimen. तो ऑप्टिकल सेक्शन जो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं लेज़र स्कैनिंग कॉन्फोकल माइक्रोस्कोप में कैसे प्रोड्यूस्ड होते हैं, जो ऑप्टिकल सेक्शन लेज़र स्कैनिंग क्या करेगा, स्पेसिमेन को पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट जो लेज़र बीम आएगी वो फोकस करेगी स्पेसिमेन पे एंड यूजिंग ए स्पेक्ट्रल फिल्टर का यूज़ करके वो पिन होल के थ्रू जाएगी एंड जो है वहाँ से दिख जाएगी. दैट इज़ अबाउट द लेज़र स्कैनिंग कॉन्फोकल माइक्रोस्कोप. The power of the confocal approach lies in the ability to image structure at discrete level with an intact biological specimen. There are two major advantages of using the laser scanning optical microscopy in preference to conventional epifluorescence light microscopy. Glare from out of focus, structure in the specimen is reduced and resolution is increased laterally in the X and Y direction, axially in the Z direction. Image quality of some relatively thin specimen, for example, chromosome spreading leading Lampilidipodium cells growing in tissue culture, is not dramatically improved by laser scanning confocal microscope, whereas thicker specimens such as fluorescently labeled multicellular embryos can be imaged using. तो लेज़र स्कैनिंग कॉन्फोकल माइक्रोस्कोप में हम किसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो हमारा स्पेसिमेन होना चाहिए वो थिक होना चाहिए, थिन होगा तो काम नहीं बनेगा. For successful confocal imaging, a minimum number of photons should be used to efficiently excite fluorescence probe labeling the specimen. Many of the emitted photons from the fluorochromes as possible should make it through the light path through instrument to the detector. The laser scanning confocal microscope has found different application in biomedical imaging. लेज़र स्कैनिंग कॉन्फोकल माइक्रोस्कोप की डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन है डिफरेंट बायोमेडिकल इमेजेस के अंदर. सम ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन यूज़ हो रही है पॉसिबल बाय द ability of the instrument Some of the application of this have been made possible by the ability of the instrument to produce a series of optical section at discrete level through the specimen. This Z series of optical section collected with a confocal microscope are all in register with each other can be merged together to form a single projection of the image. That projection, a 3D representation of the image, 3D reconstruction. Our next, multi-label images can be collected from a specimen labeled with more than one fluorescence probe using multiple laser light sources for excitation. See also color section. Since all the images collected at different excitation wavelengths are registered relatively easy to combine into a single multicolored image. Here, any overlap of staining is viewed as an additive color change. Most confocal microscopes are able to routinely image 3 or 4 different wavelengths simultaneously. The scanning speed of most laser scanning system is around 1 full frame per second. The scanning speed of most laser scanning system is 1 full frame per second. This is designed for collecting images from fixed and brightly labeled fluorescence specimen. Such scan speed are not optimal for living specimen, and laser scanning instruments are available that scan at faster rates for optimal live cell imaging. In addition to point scanning, swift field scanning rapidly moves a micrometer thin beam of light horizontally and vertically through the specimen. That is all about the laser field microscopy. In next video we will be deal about next topic. Thank you so much guys.